Let's start at my house. Come on in. This is the old meter. It's 30 years old and needs to be replaced. During this meter change out project, the PUD will inspect all the meter bases. We will take pictures. We will go above and beyond to make sure that the customer's property is properly working. We'll go back in the shop and show you how the meter base is tested and what it looks like on the inside. We'll go ahead and open up this meter base. This is a used meter base that has been replaced. As you can see, there's debris, pine needles and stuff in the meter base. That's one thing we look for. The wire would be connected here, and as long as these have a good color, we would say it's okay that the connections are still in good shape. Then we take a testing piece of equipment and we push in on the jaws. As long as the red goes away, we know that jaw's good. Test this one. There's no. As you can see red on the test tool. That means this jaw does not have the strength to pass the current between the load and source side of the meter. So this meter base has failed, and it does have the potential of being a fire danger. The meter base is owned by the homeowner or customer. When we find a problem with the meter base, they will be contacted and brought aware of what needs to be done.